On this video, I'll be showing you how you can use AI to design these fun flower coloring books for kids. Grab your pen and paper, so after watching this video, you will be able to create your own books and list it on Amazon and start making money. Step 1 of this video, we are going to Canva. And when you get to Canva, this is how Canva page look like. You click on create new design. Then you scroll down to this place and click on custom size. On this place said units, click on it and change it to inches. Select inches. Then this place, depending on the kind of length or kind of book you want to do, they have 6 by 9, 8.5 by 11. I'm making 8.5. My width is 8.5 and my height is 11. Then you click on create new design. Now this is how the page look like. You have a blank paper on this place. What you should do is to go to file, click on file, then click on settings, then click on show margin. Then make sure whatever you are creating shouldn't pass this margin, this dotted line. Then on Canva here, you can come here and click on element. Once you click on element, you can search for flower. Once you search for flower, you click on graphic. You can select any flower you like. All you need to do is just to click on it. Once you click on it, this is how it will appear. What you need to do is to drag it so that it will not pass the margin line. We are not going to use this one on Canva because it's public. Everybody can access it. I'm going to show you a secret AI that will generate different types of flower for you or different type of niche that you want to design. If you have not liked this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. If you are still watching, you have not followed me, kindly hit the plus sign, like this video, drop a comment if you have any question, and share to 10 of your friends. If you're watching on YouTube and you have not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Smash the subscription button, turn off the notification, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that whenever we post any correct video related to money making tips, who knows, our next update may be a life-changing opportunity. So you will be the first to get notified. This one is called Clean PNG. You can see your sketch flower. You can search any kind of image on the searching bar. Or you can use lilycat.art. This one can give you any type of image. All you need to do is just to enter your prompt and you will get any kind of image you are looking for. You have generated your image on these two AI. Note it's 100% free to start and it's beginners friendly. All you need to do is to download these images from your phone or your PC. After you have downloaded, you come here to Canva and click on upload. Once you click on upload, then you click on upload file. It will take you to your where you save the file. Then you can be able to bring it on this place. Then let's check the one I just uploaded. This one is the one we took from Canva, and this one is the one we downloaded from the AI. You can see there is difference. If maybe the one you uploaded from AI it have a background, you can go to this website. Once you come to this AI, remove BG and upload your image, then it will remove the background for you. Then you can also send it to Canva. Once you set up here, all you need to do is click on here that says duplicate. You click on it, it will come to, you click this one to delete, then you add another flower, then you drag it and stretch it so that it will not pass the magic line. You also duplicate here again and delete this one. So right now, check out our book, our coloring books. You can notify, this is what people will see when they come to Amazon to buy your book. You tell your potential buyers what the book is all about, and you can see before they can start seeing your images and everything. So you can see, voila, this is so amazing coloring books for kids, for adults, age from 3 to 4. You can see it's very, very lovely. Going to design our paper bag. I have done full tutorial on how to design a paper bag cover, any book or any niche. You can watch it on my YouTube channel. The link will be on the description of this video. Alright, this is the paper bag I designed. So I'm quite confused. So drop a comment. Which one do you think we can use to publish this book because these colors are so cute. So drop a comment. I'll be looking forward to see your comment. So after you have designed everything, you go to file again and click on download. Once you come here that say PNG, you scroll down and click on PDF print because we are going to print. Amazon is going to print this book to ship for our customers. Then you click on download. Right now we are on Amazon Kindle Direct Publish. If you do not have an account, I have done full tutorial on how to create an account on Amazon and publish books on Amazon. My YouTube channel, Gap Success, you can come here and search for Gap Success. Then click on the playlist Amazon KDP. I have over 22 videos here that talk about how to make money online, publishing books on Amazon, how to price your book, how to do your book research, and etc. Right now on our Amazon dashboard, this is our bookshelf. Then you click on create. These are different varieties of books you can publish on Amazon, but we only want to publish paperback. Click on create. What you need to do is to enter your book title, subtitle, enter your author name and your pen name. Enter the description, the keyword, everything, and click on save and continue. Come here, you click on get free ISBN because this is not a low content book. You say assign me ISBN. On this place, you leave it on black and white interior. This is very important, the size you create your book. You click here to select your size. I use 8.5 by 11. Our book has no bleed and you leave it on matte. Now it's time to upload our manuscript and paperback. In your paperback, you click here. You have already done your own, but if you did not do your own, you click here. Amazon will generate paper cover for you. Then you click on upload. Voila, we just uploaded our book for review. Now you can see here it's quality check. If you have any thing that Amazon wants you to adjust, you will see the notification here. So our book is quality check. Then it's high time we print it. Let's preview this book. This is how it will appear. Wow, we can see our book is so amazing. This is our notification for see how these flowers are so amazing. AI is life-changing right now. So jump into it. Then what you need to do is to click here that said approve. Kindly take note of this. Amazon will charge you $2.84 for your for your book to be printed. So also add it on your price. I have done also the price technique. So click here to continue. So the minimum you can price this book is $4.73 and maximum is $2.50. So you check the price that is suitable for you. Then this is Amazon will take 60% and you see your royalties. If you want this book to be expanded to other countries like Canada, UK, you click on expand distribution. Then you can see the different prices and the different currency. Now your book is ready to publish. Click on publish. Right now our book is on review. This is how your book will appear on Amazon website, so that whenever your potential buyer say it, they will click and buy and you start making money. If you found this video helpful, like and share to 10 of your friends. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. If you want me to make any video related to any kind of book, anything that you want me to teach you how to do it or how to navigate on it step by step, kindly drop it on the comment section. Ciao, ciao. See you on my next video. Happy publishing. Ciao, ciao.